Hey there, homeowners! Ready to tackle a DIY project that'll save you some cash? Today I'm going to show you how to pull and reset your toilet, brought to you by Premium Router. Let's dive in. First things first, turn off the water supply valve. It's usually located behind the toilet. Give it a good twist to the right. Now flush the toilet to drain the tank and bowl. Next, grab a sponge or towel and soak up any remaining water in the tank and bowl. We don't want any spills. Now disconnect the water supply line from the bottom of the tank. Use a wrench if it's too tight. Be gentle. Alright, it's time to remove the caps at the base of the toilet and unscrew the bolts. Keep those bolts safe. You'll need them later. Carefully lift the toilet straight up. It might be heavy, so use your legs, not your back. Place it on an old towel or cardboard to avoid any mess. Inspect the wax ring at the base. If it's worn out, scrape it off and replace it with a new one. Wax rings are cheap and essential for a proper seal. Now, lower the toilet back onto the flange, aligning the bolts with the holes. Press down firmly to set the wax ring. Screw the bolts back in and replace the caps. Reconnect the water supply line and turn the valve back on. Finally, flush the toilet a couple of times to check for leaks. And there you have it. Your toilet is reset and good as new. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips from Premium Router. See you next time.